Hi students, you've asked again whether or not we could look at Willow's cubes. Today, this will be in relation to the upcoming assignment. You need to create your own story back to me in regards to these diagrams. Here's my go. Many of you are feeling pretty sad at the moment. The time is ticking or clicking. We're going to say ticking as to the due date. Don't be a turtle. Might be the holidays, but no one can fly away. Do not allow the magnet to drag you out to smell the flowers, chase rainbows, or look for honey. The only way for all of you is upward. Good luck.